Hi everyone, this is Jenna Davis with Jenna Davis Homes and Keller Williams Realty with an office in St. James and in Rolla. I am headed to closing right now on the oldest house built in St. James. I know a lot of you are familiar, you've driven past it a million times. It's on Springfield. Wondering, I'm guessing, why it's taken so long for it to sell. This is a perfect example of going under contract numerous times and needing to find the right buyer for this property. So the price was strong, everything appraised. We had to find a buyer, and I did not represent that buyer, but this one is going to be fixing it up and we're super excited about it. Wanted to talk to you about the timing for something like this that's special. We did our first open house on this house back in January, which is kind of incredible. It was snowing. We've been under contract 3 times. Finally, it has happened. Call me if you are thinking that you have a very special property that might need the right agent to get that done. And that would be us. Remember, I am Jenna Davis. I own Jenna Davis Homes and I have an office. We're renovating an old building just like this one downtown on the corner. And I own the Keller Williams office in St. James and in Rolla. Thanks so much. Hope to see you soon.